Huawei's sub-brand Honor has been busy in the last couple of months and has announced several new smartphones in the market for consumers. The latest addition to their budget lineup in India is this, the Honor 9 Lite. Coming live from the show floor, here's what we thought about it. There are a couple of key USPs in the Honor 9 Lite. First, it's got a glass finish on the front and back. Second, it also has a dual camera setup at the front and the back. Along with those, it also has an 18:9 full view display and a beautiful but slippery construction. That's right, the Honor 9 Lite has 4 cameras, with dual camera setups at the front and back. Both sides use a combination of a 13 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The camera is super fast with negligible shutter lag. The phone leverages the portrait mode using a combination of hardware and software. There is an option to dial the aperture up or down before and after taking the shot. The same portrait mode is also there for the front camera. But for the limited time we tested the phone, the cameras left a lot to be desired. Honor's version of portrait mode is clearly software based, unlike phones like the OnePlus 5T. The Honor 9 Lite borrows a lot of design elements from its siblings. The 5.65-inch 18:9 aspect ratio 2.5D curved display sporting phone has thin bezels on the right and left hand side. The Honor branding is noticed on the thin lower bezel. The glossy back stands out. For all practical purposes, it resembles a mirror as it is highly reflective. The looks are purely subjective from person to person, and I'm not a big fan of the flashiness. Also, the slight decrease in screen size from the usual 6-inch display goes a long way to help with handling. The Honor 9 Lite also houses the high silicon Kirin 659 chipset, which is an octa-core processor. This is the same silicon as that of the Honor 7X. Our review unit comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, out of which around 53.6GB is usable. There is a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage version of the same available as well. It comes with Android Oreo 8.0 out of the box, which is a good thing to see. Of course, the Android OS gets a skinning treatment and comes with Huawei's Emotion UI version 8.0 or EMUI 8.0. However, this is somewhat lighter version of EMUI 8.0, which can't quite take full advantage of the machine learning and AI capabilities that the full-blown version is known for. This is because the Honor 9 Lite runs on the high silicon Kirin 659 SoC, which is the company's mid-range option designed to compete with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 series, which is an efficient processor, which along with 3000 mAh battery should give a day of moderate usage. At a starting price of 11,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees for the higher RAM and storage variant, the Honor 9 Lite becomes one of the cheapest phones with an 18:9 display with 4 cameras and of course a very beautiful design. For any person whose priorities are so, this phone seems to be a good device. Stay tuned for our full review where we will find out if the Honor 9 Lite is worth its price. Do subscribe to our channel and like this video.